Okay, gonna do a quick review on Walmart Mainstay Plates. You get 4 in a package. I'm not letting you out, Sonny. Sonny's wanting. She's wanting to go outside. I'm not letting you outside. I do not feel like I have to deal with the cops. You're gonna go out there, start barking, and one of the neighbors is gonna call the cops. Go lay down. Go on. I just let you out a little while ago. I do not feel like having the cops calling on us. I'm sorry about that. She didn't want me to let her out, and I just had her out a couple months ago. Getting late, and neighbors, she'll get out there, start barking, the neighbors will call the cops. Okay, this is Walmart Mainstay Plates. You get 4 in a package. I don't remember how much they cost. I think my roommate got these recently. I don't know how much they cost right offhand. They're pretty good little plates. The plastic, pretty durable. Good size to put your food, meals, and everything on. And easy to wash. We don't have dishwasher. They've been easy to wash with just washing in the sink like you normally do dishes without any problems. And so far they're doing pretty good. We use a lot of dishes around here. We got 6 people who live here now. My roommate's older daughter turned 18. She moved out a couple weeks ago. So there's only 6 of us here now. We still go through a lot of dishes. Use a lot of dishes around here for cooking and eating and everything. These pretty nice little plastic plates. They're pretty durable. And good for using whenever you and your family get hungry. For meals, snacks, whatever you need them for. This is the Walmart's Mainstay Plates. You get them at 4 in a package. You buy them at your nearest Walmart store.